morning to all of you. I'm Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. RSS affiliate calls for total ban on cryptocurrency. Binance Turkey slapped with 8 million lira penalty for non-compliance. UAE proposes jail time for crypto scam perpetrators. Nearly half of blockchain industry's usage comes from games. Excitement over NFTs may ebb in 2022. Bitcoin may test $100,000 according to Forbes. US survey shows 44% of student loan borrowers plan to invest in crypto or NFTs. Popular altcoins exchange MEXC Global to retire Chinese accounts by this month end. Centralized crypto exchanges saw over $14 trillion in trading volume in 2021. Bitcoin most mentioned cryptocurrency in social media. Indian police warn against using unauthorized private crypto wallets. The Swadeshi Jagran Manch, an affiliate of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, has demanded that the government impose an outright ban on dealing in cryptocurrencies for Indian residents while granting a short time window for those already holding them to sell or exchange them with disclosures to the income tax authorities. A resolution passed in the concluding session of a two-day Rashtra Sabha of SJM in Gwalior said that virtual currency should be banned as there was no underlying asset and issuer is not identifiable. The resolution also expressed concerns that recognition of cryptocurrency could lead to heavy speculation while may adversely impact financial markets and that money laundering and terror financing remained a big concern. The Swadeshi Jagran Manch also called upon the government to also ban online trading platforms for buying, selling, or otherwise dealing in cryptocurrencies or crypto assets in circulation. The organization, while speaking, the ban said persons holding cryptocurrencies could be allowed to sell or exchange the same within a short period subject to the provision of submitting the information to the income tax department. Binance Turkey, the local unit of the world's largest crypto exchange, has been fined 8 million lira or nearly $750,000 by the Financial Crimes Investigation Board after failing the financial watchdog's audit for monitoring anti-money laundering compliance. The Financial Crimes Investigation Board, which serves as Turkey's financial intelligence unit under the Ministry of Finance and Treasury, found Binance guilty of violating money laundering laws, according to local media reports. The AML law in Turkey requires companies to identify and verify the personal identification information of the customers on the platform. The law also requires businesses to immediately notify the government about suspicious activities within a 10-day period. The United Arab Emirates will implement a new cybercrime law under which cryptocurrency scammers could face up to 5 years in prison and fines of up to 1 million dirhams. The law will be effective Jan 2. Earlier this year, in July, Abu Dhabi authorities issued a warning to investors against cryptocurrency-related get-rich-quick schemes. The action is intended to increase online safety after Bitcoin enjoyed enormous growth this year, making it an appealing target for bad operators looking to take advantage of realtor investors. New regulations make it illegal to promote unlicensed cryptocurrency, and they will also apply to individuals who promote fake enterprises, the report stated. Blockchain game surpasses decentralized finance and became the India's largest category this year, with over 1.4 million unique active wallets connecting daily, according to the BGA Blockchain Game Report 2021, which was recently published by DappRadar. While game dApps accounted for 49% of total blockchain usage, game NFTs accounted for over $4.5 billion in trade volume, accounting for 20% of total NFT sales this year. Gaming activity rose a staggering 4,330% in 2021 from a year ago, which also attracted large investments. Venture capitalists invested $4 billion in blockchain games and related infrastructure during 2021, with the possibility of more investments flowing in 2022, according to the report. With low transaction fees and high processing speeds, multiple blockchains such as Wax, Ronin, and Hive have become resilient ecosystem for gaming apps and GameFi decentralized apps. Hosting some of GameFi's most important decentralized apps, Alien Worlds and Farmers World, World Asset Exchange has become one of the most used networks in the industry in 2021. The excitement over non-fungible tokens may fade in 2022, with the tokens becoming a boring affair as companies seek to secure information and data in the coming year, according to Forbes crypto and blockchain predictions for 2022. Blockchain-enabled ownership will likely be the future of NFTs for mainstream adoption, the Forbes report said, lamenting the fact that the mainstream marketplace widely misunderstood how non-fungible tokens operate and are valued. Stablecoins are projected to become widespread since the asset can be transferred instantly to anyone anywhere in the world with little to no transaction fees, the report highlighted. Stablecoin adoption is increasing, with the market increasing from $5 billion in December 2019 to over $158 billion in December 2021. The magazine expects Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, to hit $100,000 in 2022 on expectations of growing inflation fueled by prolonged monetary easing around the world and growing adoption of crypto assets. A survey of student loan borrowers in the United States revealed an interesting fact about Gen Z and their preference to utilize idle cash. The survey by College Finance, a company that provides information about student financing options, revealed that since President Joe Biden announced a freeze on student loan in March 2020, 18% of borrowers have been using the extra money to invest in crypto or NFTs. The Biden administration extended the student loan payment pause and interest waiver until May next year, helping 41 million borrowers save $5 billion per month. Prior to the freeze, borrowers were on average putting $385 towards their student loan debt on a monthly basis. But since the pause, this money was repurposed by the majority, with only 12% reported continuing with payments. Gen Zers, or 20% of those surveyed, were more likely to use the pocketed extra fund to invest in crypto and NFTs than millennials and Gen Xers. Meanwhile, the survey results also showed that nearly 1 in 10 borrowers plan to invest in crypto and NFT to make their payments when the repayment freeze is lifted. MEXC Global, formerly known as MEXC, one of the most popular Chinese altcoin exchanges, said in a comprehensive Twitter thread that Chinese accounts will be abolished by the end of December. Following the flight of miners from China, the country's rules have forced cryptocurrency exchanges, businesses, and other crypto-related activities to restrict or end operations. The move comes as a response to the fact that the exchange has struck partnerships with multiple international investment funds to support the expansion of our global operations. While China is taking a pro-blockchain approach, its attitude towards cryptocurrencies has been nothing short of prohibitive, the report stated. According to the block research, centralized crypto exchanges, which keep users' private keys unlike decentralized exchanges, reported a trading volume of more than $14 trillion in 2021. Centralized crypto exchanges' trading volumes jumped 689% to $1.8 trillion from a year ago, according to data available till December 24. The centralized crypto exchange market is still dominated by Binance, and it facilitated 67% of all volumes, or $9.5 trillion, the report said. Decentralized exchanges saw trading volumes of more than $1 trillion in 2021, marking a massive 858% increase over trade volumes in 2020, the block research note stated. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.